Good morning, I'm Simone D'Antonio. I'm a construction engineer graduated at the University of Pisa. During my study, I spent a year working on a project with Ingegneria Senza Frontiere. We designed and built a house made of adobe in Peru. I was in the first phase on site when we had the first contact with the local administration. We set up the building site and started the construction. In the last few years, I worked for a medium-sized construction company specializing in public works, like a construction manager. I planned, coordinated and supervised several projects in Italy. The most important were the Museum Luigi Pecci in Prato and the public swimming pool Pio XI in Concorrezzo. I left my job in November when I was selected by Dirextra for the placement course for professional engineers in construction, oil and gas. I'm in Manchester now to attending this course because I want to work in a multinational construction company. I'm ambitious, very flexible, motivated, and ready to start a new important challenge. Thank you for your attention.